And President Trump is receiving cutting-edge medicine for COVID, an experimental antiviral treatment called Remdesivir, as well as an antibody cocktail called Regeneron to boost his body's immune system.
And you may remember, Lena, that we first mentioned that antiviral back in March. That is when UH, along with other U.S. hospitals, were given clearance by the FDA to do clinical testing. The results from that were promising.
The president's team not holding back on anything that could help, including Remdesivir, an experimental antiviral treatment being used on patients with moderate to severe symptoms of COVID-19.
It keeps the virus from dividing and multiplying.
Dr. Keith Armitage with University Hospital says it's often used on patients who have been on oxygen and are at risk of getting sicker.
And it's been shown to be modestly effective. It's not a magic bullet, but it does slow down the virus somewhat. It doesn't prevent every patient from progressing, but it has been shown to be beneficial in some patients.
And hopefully the president, who says he's feeling better thanks to therapeutics.
But we have things happening that look like they're miracles coming down from God.
And thanking the leaders of the world for their support.
They know what we're going through. They know what, as your leader, what I have to go through.
As reaction flows in, much of it on Twitter from friends and foes alike. For a leader who wasn't the first to get the disease, Britain's Boris Johnson was hospitalized and humbled in March when COVID nearly killed him, while Brazil's Jair Bolsonaro barely fell ill and made the sickness part of his swagger, boasting about his macho athleticism and shaming journalists. Both leaders got a brief boost in opinion polls upon their recovery. And though President Trump was somewhat cavalier towards the virus, he doesn't appear that way now.
I just want to be so thankful for all of the support I've seen, whether it's on television or reading about it.
And the prayers. Governor DeWine says Sunday will be a special day across Ohio, declaring it a day of prayer for the president and first lady, along with anyone suffering from COVID-19.